Let's talk about the single tooth implant restoration. For that, if we are planning a cement retained or a cement and screw retained prosthesis, we can go with an hex abutment, or we can go with a pre-milled hex abutment. Here I am talking about hex stock abutment, or we can go with a castable hex abutment. If we are talking about the screw retained single tooth implant replacement, then we can use hex abutment or tie base abutment and castable hex abutment, right? So for single tooth replacement, we have to use a hex abutment because that will only enable the perfect locking of the abutment into the implant. Whereas if you are talking about implant bridges, for the multiple implant cases, you can have two scenarios. One is cement retained implant bridges, second one is screw retained implant bridges. So cement retained implant bridges will have to use hex abutments, either stock abutments or pre-milled or castable abutment. In case of bridges, screw retained bridges, you will have a non-hex abutments. So these non-hex abutment, when they will be splinted with the prosthesis, with the bridge, they itself will lock. You see, here you don't need this kind of a feature because that whole prosthesis will be so big and it will lock itself, that it does not require any anti-rotational feature, additional anti-rotational feature, and so here you can use non-hex abutment, either stock abutment or pre-milled abutment or tie bases, right? For full mouth cases, now we are commonly using the multi-unit abutment, right? So they can be straight or angled, right, depending upon the implant angulations, right? Thank you.